ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ರೊವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಮಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸುಮಾರು 100ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೊವರ್ಬ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. Empty mind is the devil workshop. Beauty is a lover's gift. Be simple, be sample. Simple living, high thinking. Rest is a change of work. A good wife makes a good husband. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A little learning is a dangerous thing. Man's character on his face. Even God cannot change the past. A proverb is a short sentence based on long experience. A thing of beauty is joy forever. A small spark makes a great fire. Action speaks louder than words. A man without money is like a bird without wings. Truth never hurts the teller. Ability is the poor man's wealth. An ideal brain is the devil workshop. All that glitters is not gold. All is well that ends well. A book cannot be judged by its cover. Grey hair is a sign of age, not of wisdom. Beauty is the gift of God. Beauty without virtue is a flower without perfume. Beauty beings from our smile. A good scholar is always a bad teacher. A long tongue is a sign of short hand. A good lawyer is a bad neighbor. A man without a smiling face must not open a shop. Good books are best friends. A hungry man is an angry man. A small leak will sink a great ship. All is fair in love and war. Room without book like body without soul. Better be alone than in bad company. Blood is thicker than water. Better beg than steal. Bravery is the soul of wit. Only children are fools tells the truth. Confidence is the companion of success. Call no man is happy till his death. Diamond cuts diamond. Friends and books should be few but good. Tell me your friend and I will tell you what you are. Every dog must have his day. Experience is a good school but its fees are very heavy. Honesty is the best policy. Desire knows no rest. Doing is better than saying. Empty vessels makes much sound. People who lives in glass house should not throw stones at other. Impossible is the word only to be found in the dictionary of fools. Every day is not a Sunday. Experience is the mother of all knowledge. Eat at pleasure, drink by measure. Nature, time and patience are the three great physicians. Money makes man. When money speaks, the truth is silent. Eyes are windows of the soul. False friends are worse than open enemies. First desire, then desire. Fool live poor to die much. Time and tide waits for no man. Good forgives him who forgives other. Grave is the remedy for old age. Edges have eyes and walls have ears. They say so is of a lie. A good heart is worth gold. Hungry he is sharper than sword. He travels fastest who travels alone. The mother's heart is child's schoolroom. Eat enough and it will make you wise. Noise proves nothing. Joy and sorrow are today and tomorrow. If you tell me what you eat, I will tell you what you are. Keep your mouth shut and ears open. Look before you leap. A man is never too old to learn. Life is a journey from cradle to grave. Lend your money and lose your friend. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one language, the language of heart. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one God, He is omnipresent. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Imagination is the highest kite on can fly. No gains without good pains. Nature is your best teacher. Nothing is so difficult as death. Old habits die hard. Only lie makes man. Penny wise, pound foolish. Practice makes man perfect. Prevention is better than cure. Public voice is God's voice. Peacock has fair feathers but foul feet. Put the saddle and the right horse. Rome was not built in a day. Slow and steady wins the race. Success comes to those who dare and act. Sit a while after a dinner, walk a while after a supper. Small gifts makes friends. Face is the index of mind. Think before ink. The tree is known by the fruit it bears. Tomorrow comes never. Tongue is not still but cuts deeper. The very best thing in life are free. Time is a great healer. Think deeply. Talk sparingly. The more one knows, the less one believes. The forbidden fruit is always sweet. The early bird catches the prey. The longer you look at a thing, the less you like it. There will be a black sheep in the every flock. Truth not a woman who weeps repeatedly. Union is strength. Wisdom is the danger of old age. Where there is will, there is a way. Where there is smoke, there is a fire. When the cat is away, the mice will play. When the wine is in, the wit is out. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, everything is lost. Where there is no trust, there is no love. Who knows much will suffer much. You can lead a house to water, but cannot make it drink. Zeal without knowledge is a fire without light. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಈ ಪ್ರೊವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.